Hello from Briana K. Today I want to show you how to do two different types of left-leaning decreases. The first one is slip, slip, knit, also abbreviated as SSK. To do this left-leaning decrease, we insert our needle to the left side of the first stitch and slip it as if to knit. We will go ahead and do that again and slip our second stitch. Then we insert our needle back into those two stitches we just slipped, yarn over, and complete the stitch. And now we've knit two together that are left leaning, the slip, slip, knit. The next left leaning decrease is known as a knit two together through the back loop, also abbreviated as K2tog tbl. We will insert our needle through the back loops of the next two stitches, yarn over, and pull that through to complete the knit two together through the back loop left leaning decrease.